Hello and welcome back to another video. So obviously it's the Halloween season and I got a new mystery kit thing, and I've just been really inspired to make some Halloween nails, so I thought I'd bring you along and show you the nails that I'm making. I really hope that you like them. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Let's get into it, darlings. So here we are. I've already prepped my tips, and we are going in with the purple gel polish that I got from Not Polish, and we are just putting that over the first 2/3 of the nail, because I'm wanting the undersides of the nail. So if you turn your hand over and look at the inside of the nail, I want that to be purple on all of the nails. So we put that into cure, and then once we've cured that, we're then going to go over the top of that with white. That is so any colours we put on over the top will not distort the colour of the purple, and that colour purple will stay true. And we're putting that white just a little bit above the purple, because obviously these are going to be sold as press-ons, and I still want them to look nice and pretty from the underside. So again, we will be putting that on all 5 of the nails, and then we will be putting them into cure. And I'm currently using some new stands that I bought, as you can see in the background, that square thing, and I have to say I am really liking them. So all I'm doing now is I'm just rubbing off that sticky layer, and then I'm going to lightly buff over all of the nails, because we will be going into the acrylic, and by leaving micro scratches over the surface of the nails, it gives the acrylic something to stick onto, and so the acrylic stays and performs much better. So that is a little trick if you're wanting to put acrylic over the top of gel polish. Just give the nails a little light buff. So now we are going in with the acrylic. Now both of these acrylics do glow in the dark, which I am super excited for. So we are just going in with this neutral skin colour, and we are putting that on 3 of the nails, which is the thumb, the middle finger, and the ring finger. I'm just making sure that I'm keeping it nice and thin at that cuticle area, because you don't want to build up too much bulk on the cuticle, because you still want them to be nice and thin, and it just looks prettier on the hands personally, but that's my personal opinion. So now we are moving on to the green, which we are putting on the pointer finger and the pinky finger. This also glows in the dark, and it is a super nice bright neon green. And considering that it is heavily coloured, it performed really, really well. I was quite impressed with it. It was very, very easy to work with. And then obviously you won't see it, but once I've finished applying all the acrylic and it has dried and set, off camera, I will then just go and file all of them. You'll refine the shape, which is what I've done, and you can see here. Now, I did forget to record the beginning bit of it. So this is the thumbnail, and all I've done is painted it orange. And then I realised that I hadn't been pressing the record button, but that is literally all you've missed, was just me painting them orange. So on the thumb, I'm going back over with the orange to do, I don't really know what you would call it. I call it like a triangle French. I don't know what the proper word is. So I'm just going in with a slightly darker shade of orange and filling that in, but not curing it. I'm wanting that gel polish to stay nice and wet. And then on the pinky finger and the pointer finger, I'm doing the exact same thing, but instead of outlining that French and filling it in with orange, I am doing that in a black. And it is, look, when it's done, personally I think it looks really, really cool, because the black obviously stops that glow in the dark effect, and when they're glowing in the dark it looks like they're stiletto nails when they're actually coffin shaped, which was like, that was something that I didn't realise until obviously after they were done, and it's just what I like to call a happy accident. So yeah, now we are going in with some glitters. Now this is why we haven't cured the gel polish, because we want something for the glitter to stick to. So we are putting the orange on the orange nail, obviously, and then we are going in with the black glitter, and we're just putting that over the black French on the green nails. And then before, like, not doing any dusting or nothing like that with the glitter freshly on, you then want to put that into cure, and then that glitter cures with the like into the gel polish. So now on the two nails that we haven't done anything with, I am just doing an ombre with orange on the top and the same purple on the bottom to make a nice gradient, like nighttime kind of effect. And I'm just doing that, as I said, on the middle finger and the ring finger, because that is where we are going to be doing the nail art. So I'm just roughly brushing the colours on. Then I'm going in with a ombre brush just to blend them colours down the nail for the orange, and obviously blending up the nail with the purple, and just blending them two colours together, and we end up with a nice gradient. So now we are going on to the actual, like, proper design process then of the nails. So with the same two nails, I'm just going over, not being careful, very roughly, with some black gel liner, and then I'm going back in with the ombre brush, and I'm fading that out from the outside towards the nail, going dark to light as we get to the centre of the nail. And then I just dab the centre with a little bit of a sponge just to make sure that that black is off of the centre of the nail. And now we are going in with the same black gel liner. And what you see me here is I am doing a silhouette of a tree, so you can see part of the trunk, and I'm doing some branches coming across. Now, I'm not very good at hand painting, but I think I am getting better slowly. As they say, practice makes perfect. So if you might have guessed, I'm doing a graveyard scene, so I'm just going in with some headstones, one in a coffin shape because I thought it was appropriate, and then a cross. Now we are going on to the second nail, and I'm not putting so much of a tree in it as this one, as just like some branches to kind of frame them two nails, and then doing some more headstones, and yeah, just trying to, vary the headstones a little bit so they, they're not all samey. And then obviously all that is left to do is to top coat all of them. Now, there was a step that I missed, which you will see when I show them to you, and that is on the one tombstone there was meant to be a little crow, and I forgot to do that. But as you see, this is what they look like, all done. Super, super nice. With that super subtle gradient that we did. And now turning off the light. Ta-da! And here we have the glow in the dark. And you can see what I said about doing that black French. It blocked out the glow, so it makes the nails look as though they're stiletto in the dark when actually they're not. And yeah, I think they came out absolutely fantastic. So yeah, that was the nail set that I did. I really, really hope you like it. I really, really liked it. I actually liked it so much I actually have them on. This is a separate set that I did on myself. Yeah, so don't forget that the info to my Etsy shop will be in the description box below, and these nails should be for sale on there in a couple of days. I'd really enjoy your support. That would just absolutely make my day. And you have an absolutely wonderful day, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye.